Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today is Tuesday, May the 24th of 2022. I know my hair looks horrible. I should have fixed it before coming on camera, but what you gonna do? It is Tuesday, May 24th, and I'm here with another day in the life vlog. Just getting through daily life, and I thought I would just take you guys along for the ride. So, first up, I've been getting so many questions about Katie and her baby. So I am going to kind of talk about that first. I'm going to insert a clip real quick from when they were heading to the hospital because they dropped their dog off at our house to be watched while they're at the hospital. So I'm going to go ahead and insert that.
Why are you getting that
it's
close
the
to my
last
face?
vlog before the baby. It's finally happening. I know I've said it like 7 or 8 times, but this is like you are heading to the hospital right now
She should be here tomorrow.
to be induced. So
Or maybe Sunday.
or maybe Sunday.
Yeah.
But let's hope it's maybe tonight.
We're dropping Ginger off.
Yes, we're watching her dog, well, their dog, while she's having the baby. So it's coming. All right, it's coming.
Alright,
So
this is the actual last
this
vlog
is
before
it.
Zola.
So the next time, like in 10 seconds on this video, will be the baby's here. So wish we could speed your labor up that quick for 10 seconds. But for you guys, it'll be like 10 seconds. So, all right, let's do this. Bye.
So that was them heading off, and I told you guys 10 seconds later you'd see the baby. So I'm going to put up a couple pictures of the baby. Thankfully, she was born healthy and not really any complications. Unfortunately, Katie did have some complications during labor, so she did have to have a C-section instead, which wasn't what they wanted to do, obviously, but, you know, it worked out. So a little bit, that baby, she fought to get out. Like, she didn't want to come out for some reason. She was, like, late, like a week late or something, and yeah, she didn't want to, like, she just didn't want to come out, so I did the C-section, but finally she's out, and she's happy and healthy, and Katie's healthy, and everything worked out good, so thankful for that. Anyways, back to my life here. I am going to make dinner real quick. I'm going to make summertime pasta salad. My mom works today, so I want to make it and have it so she can just take it with her to work, so she can just have that for dinner. So I'm going to make that. It's a delicious recipe. I found it online, and I've made it a couple times since, and I thought I would show you guys in this vlog how to make it because it's really good. So let's do that. Alright guys, that is the summertime pasta salad meal. I'll have the link to the original recipe down below. They do things a little bit differently. They put chicken in it and almonds, which I'm sure would be good, but I just tweak it to our family's liking. I don't personally think it needs meat. I really don't. My mom and grandma don't like meat, and my grandpa can't have almonds, so it just works out better to omit those, and I think it turns out perfectly. just how I do it. I love, love, love that recipe so much. So I love the link down below to the original. I want to give credit where credit is due. So now I am printing an Etsy thing. I did get an Etsy order a little while ago, so I am finally getting that out today. I'm really sorry. I like to get my orders out really quick, and this one I did not, so I'm really sorry about that. While we're on the topic of Etsy stuff, I am going to talk a little bit about my Etsy shop and kind of what's in the future. Sorry, the printer's going. That's got to be annoying. Let me do that real quick and then I'll come back. All right, so in October of 2021, a lot of you guys probably were here for this. I opened up my Etsy store, OVC Designs. I kind of opened in two different phases. Phase number one was the selling of these like couponing lists here where you can organize your groceries, shopping by category, and meal plan and all the things. Have the big 8.5 by 11 lists, and I have the mini size lists. I also sold these couponing haul templates as well, which have been very popular. And then the big thing I've sold, and this is the best decision I made for the Etsy, was these wallets. These wallets were so popular and such really a great idea. Thank you to Penny. She suggested it on a live, like, oh, I'd love a couponing wallet. And ever since then, like, the momentum went off in my head, like the idea, I got to figure this out. And I figured it out how to make one. And it's awesome. It's a wallet, and you put these little zipper pouches in. Let me get one to show you guys here. These little zipper pouches, and you organize your coupons, and it comes with category cards, and it's just such a great organizational product. That was phase one. Phase one of the shop was like blew my mind. I had so many orders. I was so excited. It was awesome. And I thank everybody from the bottom of my heart who did order on that grand opening. A few weeks later, I opened in phase two, which was the couponing apparel. I was planning on making couponing hoodies, couponing t-shirts, all the things. And that is where the bulk of my investment was. It didn't take much of an investment to make these things, but it definitely took an investment to make shirts and hoodies. So I bought a heat press, and I bought a Cricut, and I bought all this stuff. And sadly, that part of the business never really took off. I took all the apparel off the website a long time ago because people just weren't interested, and I felt like it was kind of cluttering up the store. I still sold the couponing stuff, and I added in budgeting supplies. So I made cash envelope, tracker, things that you could reuse. I made cash envelope teller slips. I made all these things, and I was trying to kind of expand the business as best as I could, kind of with the paper product kind of deal like this, which is what I saw the most success with in the beginning. And when the new products were released, you know, I did pretty well. But lately, the shop has definitely pretty much ceased to exist. And I think the reason for that is those of you guys who were interested in the couponing wallet, you bought it. And now you have one, and you don't need anything else. And I'm really glad my product did work for you. That makes me really happy that I sold you a product you like. However, I have to find ways to appeal to more customers and more people. And basically, the couponing line didn't do that. You know, I got you guys in the beginning all excited because you're couponers and you're familiar with me, and so I got you to check out the shop. But I got to find ways to get customers who don't know about this YouTube channel. And couponing merchandise as a whole, it is profitable, but it's hard to get customers because couponing is kind of a specific, smaller group of people. There's a lot of couponers, but it's not a huge group that's going to go to Etsy seeking out products, if that makes sense. So I've been thinking long and hard, and a change has to come for the Etsy store. It can't just be an all couponing store like it has been. I get inspired when I see all these awesome people on YouTube who have just made it big on Etsy. And I want to take my Etsy to the next level. I'm not exactly sure what that'll be, but I have a lot of the resources on hand from when I was going into full-on couponing business. I have a heat press. But I'm going to be honest, making shirts is not my passion like I thought it was. It really isn't. My grandma, bless her heart, she orders shirts all the time. Not couponing shirts. I make her shirts with like animals and stuff on them. She loves it. She's been my biggest customer, but it just wasn't, it's not something I really enjoy that much. Like, it's kind of like, you're my grandma, I'll do this for you, but it's not something I particularly want to do as a business. This kind of thing is what I love to do. And so I have to kind of figure out what my next direction on Etsy is going to be. I have a Cricut here. This thing is endless. If I learn how to use this Cricut, I really be honest, since the t-shirt didn't really go off, the t-shirt business, I've not used this Cricut much, but there's so much you can do with a Cricut. And I want to figure out a way to kind of expand my Etsy. A change is in the air. I don't know what it is yet, but a change is in the air with that. So I got a lot to think about and really take to the next level. We're about to enter June. We're about to enter into the second half of the year. And I just want to really get my Etsy shop going again. And that's going to have to kind of branch out of the couponing, because I feel like all the couponers pretty much know about it. And those who wanted the wallet got it. And so I got to appeal to some more customers. And so I'll be sure to share that process with you guys. I know a lot of you are into the planning. So if I made neutral stickers as a thought, most people make designs and butterflies and flower stickers. And I know there's people out there like myself who don't want that. You just want a functional sticker that's neutral. And so I feel like there's a need for that, but I also feel like there's a need for cash envelope supplies and budgeting supplies and things. So I don't know. There's a lot to think about here in the future with the Etsy store. And you guys were with me if you were around during October when I did Vlogtober. I mean, you were there the entire journey. I vlogged almost every day when I was starting that shop. And so I want to take you guys through it again as I kind of reinvent the shop. So anyways, I will have my link to the shop down below if you want to check out the couponing stuff I have on hand. That's definitely there. And anyways, that's kind of what's up. So I'm going to go to the post office now, take this order down there, and I'm going to go walk and get some exercise. And I'll catch up with you guys after that. All right, guys, it's actually a little bit later. Well, actually way later. It's almost 5:30, and I am just coming back with a vlog update here, but I had a pretty chill afternoon. I went and did my errands, and I had lunch and everything, and then I kind of just was lazy this afternoon, which is fine, but I did get some stuff done, like while sitting and watching TV, so you know, that's always nice. But I did get a burst of energy and decided to kind of work on my Etsy store a little bit, kind of the design of it. So I consolidated some stuff. I used to have separate listings for each color wallet. I don't know why I did that. I have no idea. It just spaced out on me that I could do it this way. So you just pick the color, and I got pictures up of all the different colors, and then you pick what design you want, and it's just super easy. I did update a lot of the pricing. I got digital downloads. I updated a lot of the pricing. I also now am doing free shipping if you spend $35 or more. And so this is kind of what I kept. I did keep all the couponing, a lot of the couponing stuff, so the wallets are still here, the reusable lists. Those are easy to make, so I figured that was good. And I do have a couple budgeting things. So I'm definitely going to be expanding and adding new items to the shop very soon. So I gotta still brainstorm and think of stuff to add. But for the time being, I at least got the shop organized with the current listings. So like I said, if you do want to check out my shop, I will have it down below. I will have a 15% off coupon code. It is just VLOGFAM, VLOGFAM, all caps, to get 15% off. So that's available if you're interested. But anyway, guys, I am now going to go and grab some dinner. Gonna eat that summertime pasta salad. I'm so excited. And yeah, super. All right, guys, it is 8:27 p.m. and I just got done editing the vlog for this, or editing this vlog rather, and I think it turned out all right. I hope you guys have enjoyed kind of following me along, getting to meet the baby, seeing the pasta salad recipe, which is awesome, and hearing me talk about the Etsy. That's definitely been on my mind and my heart for a while, is trying to figure out what the best steps to do with the Etsy are, and so I'm excited about that, and you'll hear more about that in Vloon. Yes, Vloon is next week. Wow, I can't believe it's coming up that quick, but Vloon starts next week. If you don't know what Vloon is where I do day in the life vlogs for the entire month of June. Last year, I did one literally every single day. I'm not doing it every single day, but I will be doing it every single weekday. So starting on June 1st, every weekday at 6 p.m., you guys will see a vlog go up on the channel, and I'm really excited for that. It's going to be awesome. Going to be day in the life just like this. You'll get to see me work on Etsy. You'll get to see me work on YouTube. You'll get to see what meals I'm making, what I'm up to. Just basically day-to-day stuff. And a lot of you guys really enjoy that. I know the bulk of you are here for couponing. That's not going anywhere. That will continue as usual. But Vloon is a fun little extra. I wasn't sure I was going to do it this year because I feel like my life's not nearly as interesting as last year was. But a lot of you guys still say you like these vlogs, and so, hey, I'm here for it, and I will be doing it. So, no vlogs on the weekends, but on the weekdays at 6 p.m. Eastern, you will see day in the life vlogs for Vloon, so I'm pumped for that. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for this video. I hope you did enjoy, and the next vlog you will see will be Wednesday, June the 1st at 6 p.m. So, see you guys then.